Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to sharing about something that the book is called Think Like a Monk. So इसमें चैप्टर है fear. So मैं इसमें से कुछ आपको शेयर करूँगा fear के बारे में थोड़ा सा, जैसा because I always wanted to share about mindset also, because fitness is not about only physical, it's about mindset as well. So we have to be mentally strong as well, especially who wants to become police officer. They will start from a fear. So you have to control your fear if you want to grow. So इसके बारे में लिखा है इसमें कि इसमें भगवत गीता का इन्होंने जे शेट्टी ने इसमें एक छोटा सा मेंशन किया है कि इसने कहा है कि fear doesn't prevent death, it prevents life. कि fear डेथ को नहीं रोकता, वो लाइफ को रोक देता है. सो एंड वन मोर थिंग, फियर इज जस्ट अ स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, इज़ नॉट रियलिटी. सो इसमें एक छोटा सा बताया गया कि भगवद गीता में बैटलफील्ड में जब अर्जुन वॉज द मोस्ट टैलेंटेड आर्चर इन द लैंड, येट फियर हैज़ कॉज्ड हिम टोटली लूज कनेक्शन विद हिज एबिलिटीज़. अगर आपके माइंड में फियर है, इज ट्राइंग टू से, तो आप अपनी कनेक्शन खो दोगे एबिलिटीज़ से, आपको अपनी एबिलिटीज़ पे डाउट होना शुरू हो जाएगा. इट इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल. द सेम थिंग हैपन ईच ऑफ अस. वी हैव सो मच टू ऑफर टू द वर्ल्ड, बट फियर एंड एंग्जाइटी डिस्कनेक्ट अस फ्रॉम आवर एबिलिटीज़. सो हमारे पास बहुत सारा ऑफर है, लाइक वी हैव मैनी थिंग्स टू ऑफर दिस वर्ल्ड एंड so much to offer, but because of fear we disconnect us. Fear disconnects us from our ability. So because growing up we were taught directly or indirectly that fear is negative. हम जब बड़े होते हैं तो हमें ये बताया जाता है डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली कि फियर एक नेगेटिव चीज़ है और इससे हमें डर के रहना चाहिए. And don't be scared. Our parents told us scaredy cat. Our friend teased fear was an embarrassing, humiliating reaction to be ignored or hidden. But fear has a flip side, which Tom Hanks alluded in his commencement address at Yale University. Fear, he told the graduates, will get the worst of the best of us. The truth is, we will never live entirely without fear and anxiety. We will never be able to fix our economic, social, and political climate. So, more importantly, he is trying to say, don't scare from fear and accept and make it your as a fuel. Make fear your fuel and you can conquer. So if you want, I just wanted to share with you guys, because many people wanted to become a police officer, but they are scared. They have so much fear and anxiety. How we will crack it? What if? So if you will focus on what if, and if I will not be able to do it, so what will happen? So always say ki I will, not what if, I will. Always tell to your subconscious mind that I will. It will really change everything. So sometimes fear is critical warning, help us to survive true danger, but most of the time what we feel is anxiety. It's everyday concerns about money, jobs and leisure. We allow anxiety, everyday fear to hold us back by blocking us from true feeling. The longer we hold on to fear, the more they ferment until eventually they become toxic. So you don't have to fear, you don't have to hold about fear. You have to be hopeful, positive, and best thing, start chanting. नाम जप करना, जो recently I have started from last 1.5 year. That when you will fear, when you feel like a fear, anxiety starts, you can start नाम जप करना, राधे राधे, हरे कृष्णा, जो चैंटिंग है आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. उससे बहुत हेल्प मिलती है. वो आपको डाइवर्स कर देगा आपके माइंड को, और यू अगेन start focusing on your goals. So this, I wanted to share this video because when I started to preparing, I know I was so much fearful, anxiety, and मुझे डर लगता था कि होगा या नहीं होगा, क्लियर होगा तो नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. बट मैंने अपने फियर को फ्यूल बनाया उस टाइम पे, और मैंने और हार्ड वर्क किया, और That is why, because I also had this kind of experience in the past, so I wanted to share to all of my friends so they can conquer the fear and they can become police officer, and they can live their dream life. So yes, this was about fear. And if you can like and subscribe and share, save, whatever you want to do, it will really help me to and inspire me to make more videos like this. And I would be really be grateful. I would feel grateful, and it would really mean world to me if you guys will support me. So don't forget to like, save, share and subscribe my channel so I can make more videos for you guys, so we can help each other, we can support each other. So see you next time, and always conquer your fear. And remember, fear is just a state of mind, so it's just an imagination. So stay away from fear and always be hopeful, and try to be positive in every situation. So it will really help you. See you guys next time. Peace.